In today's video, we're going to make our own foam hand wash and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This recipe is full of antibacterial properties, making for an effective cleanser, but it's the moisturizing benefits I love the most. Personally, I despise store-bought foam hand washes. They make my hands feel dry and tight. But this foam cleanser leaves my hands feeling soft and supple, no matter how many times a day I use it. Alright, let's get to it. We need half a teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a lightweight moisturizer. It balances oil production, supports collagen restoration, and is a natural astringent. 1 tablespoon of Castile Soap. Castile Soap is an effective cleaner and is antibacterial. It's considered safe for sensitive skin and can soothe skin irritation such as eczema and psoriasis. 7 ounces of water. 1 foam wash dispenser. Essential oils I like to use is lavender, wild orange, and rosemary essential oils. 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender encourages calm and relaxation. It's an antioxidant, so supports the skin against wrinkles. It's antibacterial and an antifungal. 5 drops of wild orange essential oil. Wild orange can reduce stress and anxiety. It's antibacterial and an antioxidant. It supports blood circulation, inflammation reduction, and can increase energy and focus. 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary supports blood circulation and mental clarity. It promotes calm and peace and is antibacterial. First, add 1 tablespoon of Castile Soap and half a teaspoon of grapeseed oil to foam hand wash dispenser. Next, add 10 drops of lavender, 5 drops of wild orange, and 5 drops of rosemary essential oils. Then add 7 ounces of water. Place lid on dispenser and gently shake it, mixing all ingredients together. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.